Welcome back to Autistic. In this tutorial, we're diving into the Web Audio API and how we can use it to build a simple web-based music player in Next.js. If you already know the basics of Next.js, this will be a great project to expand your skills. Otherwise, I recommend checking out my Pokemon app playlist, a link to which is provided in the description below. Let's get started. The Web Audio API is a powerful JavaScript interface that allows us to work with sound, playing, analyzing, and even manipulating audio data right in the browser. Before we start coding, let's set up our Next.js project. Create a new Next.js app using create next app and call it web-music-player. As with the Pokemon app, default options are fine, but I have Tailwind CSS turned off. We'll also need an MPEG audio file for testing. Place it in the public folder so Next.js can serve it easily. You can call yours whatever you want. Mine is my-audio-file.m4a. So once you've done that, you'll want to create an audio player component and save it as AudioPlayer.js. And here's the code and all the comments for that component. Once you're finished, go to page.js and add the audio player component. Your code should look like this screenshot. We just built a fully functional music player using Next.js and the Web Audio API. If you want to take this further, try adding playlists, equalizers, or visualizers. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments, what would you like to build with the Web Audio API after seeing this tutorial? For more tutorials, subscribe to Autistic, and let's keep learning and growing together.